Hello, welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll design our rotating disc. Now let's start our tutorial. Let's make a new part. Press OK. We'll design our disc as per the dimension given here. Its diameter is 560 mm. Now choose a front plane and start sketching. Let's choose the circle command. Make a circle. Give the dimension of 560 mm. Okay. Now we will extrude it up to 5 mm. Choose the extrude command on feature tab. We will extrude up to 5 mm. Press OK. Now we will make a center hole of diameter 20 mm. Choose this surface and start sketching. Make normal to. Choose the circle command and make a circle of 20 mm. Make it 20. Press OK. Okay. Now we will extrude cut through all. Choose the direction as through all both and press OK. Now our hole is ready. That's it. Now our rotating disc is ready. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comment, please comment down below. Thank you.